This critter right here is known as the hippopotamus, also called the hippo or common hippopotamus or river hippopotamus. It is a large, mostly herbivorous semi-aquatic mammal and ungulate native to sub-Saharan Africa. It is one of only two extant species in the family Hippopotamidae, the other being the pygmy hippopotamus. Measuring upwards of 16 feet or 4.88 meters in length and 5 feet or 1.52 meters high at the shoulder, and around 5,800 pounds or 2,631 kilograms in weight, they are amongst the largest living land mammals, being only smaller than elephants and some rhinoceroses. Hippos have barrel-shaped bodies with short legs and long muzzles. Their skeletal structures are gravipodal, adapted to carrying their enormous weight and enabling them to sink and move along the bottom of a river. Despite sporting small legs relative to other megafauna, they are capable of galloping at up to 19 miles per hour, or 30.6 kilometers per hour. They are a fairly vocal species which communicates through grunts and bellows and may occasionally practice echolocation. Despite being semi-aquatic and having webbed feet, an adult hippo is not a particularly good swimmer, nor can it float. It is rarely found in deep water, and when it is, the animal moves by porpoise-like leaps from the bottom. The eyes, ears, and nostrils of hippos are placed high on the roof of their skulls. This allows these organs to remain above the surface while the rest of the body is submerged. Hippos mostly live in freshwater habitats such as inland lakes and rivers. However, they are known to frequent deltas, estuaries, and mangrove swamps, and have even been found at sea. There are primarily grazers, emerging at night to feed upon fruits, roots, and short grasses, which make up the bulk of their diet, although they are also known to occasionally consume carrion. Despite their enormous size, common hippopotamus are occasionally preyed upon by prides of lions, Pax hyenas, and exceptionally large Nile crocodiles. Hippos are territorial only in water, where a dominant male presides over a small stretch of river that typically forms a pod containing 10 to 20 females. However, the largest pods can contain over 100 hippos, and other males are allowed to join the pod as long as they behave submissively towards the dominant male. After an 8-month pregnancy, a mother hippo typically gives birth to a single calf, although twins are occasionally known to occur. The young will stay with their mothers until they are mature at around 7 years of age. A common hippopotamus may live up to 65 years under ideal conditions.